What's your secret that could literally ruin your life if it came out? I accidentally killed 7 people. I put a rag into a new water heater exhaust to keep debris out and installed it in a rental. I get a call a week later. There's been an accident. I show up and there is a ton of EMS and police. They ask me where the gas shutoff is, and I go down to shut the gas off and see the end of the rag that I forgot sticking out of the top of the heater. I ripped the rag out, shut the gas off, and head upstairs, only to be told all the tenants were dead.